Good day, everyone. Uh, I will presenting my executive development plan. My name is Marvin Abregana, and my executive development plan is all about my own business, which is named as TNQ Laundry Shop, which is located along Mastersons Avenue, Fresno Parkview 3 Subdivision, Lumbia, Cagayan de Oro City. So this business started its operations 2 years back, last June 2021. The laundry services provided to customers include washing, drying, and folding the laundry. Within the 2 years of operations, monitoring the quality and quantity of laundry services rendered is done properly. Monitoring is done manually through the use of paper and ballpen by listing the incoming of laundry, tagging the laundry, and checking again until the cleaned laundry is given back to the owner. Operating the commercial washer and commercial dryer is done manually by navigating through these machines and inputting the required number of minutes to wash and dry the laundry. So as time passes, the business has created a customer base, especially customers coming from the nearby subdivisions. Quite a number of times happen that there is an influx of laundry, especially when the weather is gloomy and during weekends. During these times, and considering the human limitations, there will be a tendency of human error, especially in operating the commercial washer and commercial dryer. For example, instead of inputting 35 minutes for the commercial dryer, it could happen that 45 minutes of drying will be inputted, which will be an additional cost on the part of the business owner in terms of electricity and LPG consumption. Close monitoring in this kind of incident needs to be practiced, especially for do-it-yourself customers, since these customers operates the commercial washer and commercial dryer by themselves. Errors like these could cost a considerable amount on the operations if these errors are done constantly or if left unattended. So the objective of this is to lessen, if not eliminate, human errors in the laundry business operations to reduce operational costs and maximize revenues of the business. The concepts applied uh, are the following. Functional business systems need to be applied in this particular scenario. In this case, the operations need to be improved by introducing a monitoring system on each commercial washer and commercial dryer in order to minimize human intervention and error in the operation of these machines. The primary function of monitoring system attachment for commercial washer and dryer is to limit the number of minutes the commercial washer will wash and the commercial dryer will dry depending on the load of the card. This card is like an ATM card where you must load it with cash so that it can be used to operate the commercial washers and commercial dryers. The laundry operations will stop if the cash load of the card is depleted. In this case, the customer needs to top up their card so that they can continue to use the laundry machines. For the resources, there are dependable laundry solutions which is now available in the market. Commonly called coin washers or card washers, these are readily and commercially available monitoring and control system in the market for commercial washers and commercial dryers. The internet and existing laundromat businesses in Cagayan de Oro City can be a very good source of information as to what specific type or kind of commercial washer and dryer attachment are available to suit the specific needs of TNQ Laundry Shop. The exclusive dealer and supplier of the existing laundry machines of TNQ Laundry Shop can be a good source of information as to what kind and type of monitoring system can be used to minimize human intervention in the operation of these machines. What are the step-by-step action plan? So first, with available resources and after scrutinizing these resources, decide which monitoring system attachment is best for the NQ laundry shop machines that suits the budget and functionality it needs. So second, once a decision is made, buy 5 pieces of the monitoring system to be attached in the 5 sets of commercial washers and dryers that is existing in TNQ laundry shop. And third, request for a training for the employees of TNQ laundry shop on how to operate the monitoring system attachment and cascade it to do it yourself customers for them to be properly guided. And lastly, design and create a new rate of laundry services using this new monitoring system attachment. So in the implementation, uh, there's a time frame, measurements, and indicators. So for the first action plan, which is scrutinize each resource, the time frame for this will be 2 weeks. The measurements of this uh, is that you have researched at least 5 sites in the internet and compare the data gathered, and also have visited at least 10 laundromat within Cagayan de Oro City and gather information about monitoring system attachment. And also call or visit the office of the supplier of existing laundry machines and ask for guidance. So the indicator is that a decision has made as to which monitoring system attachment will be used. So for the second action plan, which is buy 5 sets of monitoring system attachment. So time frame for this is 1 month or depending on the availability and arrival of the monitoring system attachment. So measurement, you can measure this by having paid for the 5 sets of monitoring system attachment. So the indicator is that 5 sets of monitoring system attachment has arrived and installed in the 5 sets of laundry machines. So for the third, uh, under implementation, for the third action plan, request for training on the proper handling, maintenance, and usage of the 5 sets of monitoring system attachment. Time frame for this will be 1 day, and the measurement of this is employee training as to the proper handling, maintenance, and usage has been made. So the indicator will be that the employees can independently manipulate and operate the monitoring system attachment with ease and precision. And for the fourth implementation of the action plan, design or create a new rate or charges for the laundry services using the new monitoring system attachment. Time frame for this is only 1 day, and it can be measured when a new laundry services charges is set and published officially. And the indicator that this action plan has been implemented is that customer have known and aware on the changes in the laundry charges due to the introduction of the new monitoring system attachment. So sustainability plan, first, uh, record the day-to-day operational expenses of the business with the use of the new monitoring system attachment for the span of 6 months and compare it with the 6 months operational expenses in the past without the monitoring system attachment. So second, gather the 6 months revenue in the past without the use of monitoring system attachment and compare it with the 6 months revenue operations using the new monitoring system attachment. And the third sustainability plan is to regularly ask the employee on a weekly basis for 6 months as to which is more labor intensive, using the monitoring system attachment or without it. Record the responses of the employees. And fourth, be updated on the latest trends in the laundry services industry to be able to know the best practices and apply it in the business. This is for continuous improvement. And lastly, a refresher training every year is recommended as to the operation of the laundry machines in order to correct the malpractices that the employees are doing in the machine operations. This is also to refresh employees as to the proper operation and maintenance of the laundry machines. So, therefore, uh, at the span of 6 months from the date of installation and usage of the new monitoring system attachment, we will know if this is effective or not by looking on the operational cost incurred and the revenue it generates. Uh, this is all for my executive development plan, and thank you.